All right, so as we left off the last time, it says change the following times to years. Now, this is important. Express your answers as whole numbers or numbers involving fractions. So remember that 1 year has got 12 months and 52 weeks. So that's important to understand. So if you want to write that down so that you remember. So 24 months is how many years? Because that's what we have to answer. How many years? Okay, you can do that. And we would go 24 divided by 12, and our answer would tell us how many years. I want you to do 52 weeks is how many years? 36 months is how many years? 26 weeks, how many years? So for these ones, 36 months, you could just divide it by 12. 26 weeks, how many weeks are in a year? Look at those numbers. How much of a year is that? Okay, you can divide that by 12 as well. Okay, that one you would go 56 divided by 52 because there's 52 weeks in a year, and it'll tell you how many years it is because we need to know how many years. So I want you to do all of those, please. All right, then I want you to do 6 months. How many years is that? And remember, we want it as a fraction. 18 months, how many years is that as a fraction? And 30 months. This one's a bit tricky. Let's see how well you can do that one. All right, divide them by 12. Okay, we've got 60 months. Divide that by 12 will tell me how many years. All right, number 3, fill in the blanks. Remember, 1 week has got 7 days and 1 month has got 30 days. So 4 weeks is how many days? So you would take your 4 and you would times it by 7 and you'd get how many days? 21 days, how many weeks? You would take your 21 and you would divide it by 7 and it would give you how many weeks? 6 months tells you how many days. So 6 months has got 30 days in each, so you times 6 times 30. 1095 days is how many years? So you know there's 352 days, 362 days in a year. So you divide that by how many days that is. Okay? Losing my mind here. From April to October, how many years is that? So it'll be so many months, but how many years is it? From the 1st of March to the 1st of October, how many months is that? You could work that out. And from the 1st of January to the end of March inclusive, so the whole of January, February and March, with no leap year, how many days is that? Leave that on there so you can look at it. All right, guys, once you're finished and it's all beautiful, please come and show me so I can mark it.